What's up guys, finally I can see the sunlight and I'm not in my room already. So I'm out here today at the OPPO event, and guess what? So you've seen a flip phone, you see a clamshell phone, foldable phone, but have you seen a rollable phone, which is the OPPO X 2021? Let's check it out. Well, look at that, expand and retract. Doesn't it just feel so futuristic? The OPPO X 2021 comes with a 6.7-inch OLED flexible display, and it can expand out to a 7.4-inch large display. That isn't it all. If you notice, the new UI on the OPPO X 2021 will extend the interface along with the display when it rolls out and makes you feel flawless with it. Whenever you are watching movies or going through your shopping apps, no more black bars or bezels around it, and the best part of it is no visible crease when the display is expanded. Of course, it still depends on the video format you're watching. So the whole mechanism of the OPPO X 2021 lies on its role models on the top and the bottom, as well as the 0.1mm warp track, which you can see is like a caterpillar track to roll out the second layer of the display smoothly and steadily. There's no official data on the rollout duration, but I've counted it on my own. It's about 3 seconds. All you need to do is just by swiping up and down on the side fingerprint scanner with your fingers to activate the rollable display. And as of now, there's no official tech specs on it, but what we can see is a speaker in the bottom, a USB-C charging port, and a triple camera setup on the back with a dual TOF 3D lens that will support the indoor AR features. So guys, there you have it, the OPPO X 2021, and to be sure, this is still a prototype model, so we do not show any tech specs about it, but it seems really futuristic and smart. So hopefully it will be launched soon. So that's all for today. If you like this video, remember to click like, subscribe, and comment down below what do you think about the OPPO X 2021. I'm Joshua C. See you next time. Bye bye.